Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
And I'm Maureen Akers. Welcome, and welcome, Gary.
Good morning.
Yes.
I'm looking forward to this.
Here we go. Oh, you are. Okay, this is going to be a good question. We'll get to it. I saw in the news that Mickey Mouse copyright protection expired after being in place for 95 years. Do you anticipate the law will change to accommodate other things that are copyrighted? How does that work?
All right. Well, number one, this is way outside of my area, so I have no idea. I don't think anything will change, though.
Okay.
So here's my 3-minute understanding
Yeah.
of copyright law. It's about creative process,
Okay.
and not ideas. So you can copyright creative things like music, a book, a drawing of Steamboat Willie. I mean, that's what this kind of whole thing's about. So that the creator has some protection, and I think the intent, I know the intent, was to give the creator and his family some protection so that they can benefit from it going out, but not forever. I mean, it's kind of pointless forever. So there comes a point where these books become public domain and the family doesn't control them anymore, or Steamboat Willie, you know. So I think that's the point of it. You just can't let it go forever, but we do want to protect it. And in the mid-70s, it changed to where it's I think the time now is the lifetime of the creator plus 70-something years maybe.
Okay.
So it expands into the family's domain, but not forever.
Not forever. Okay. All right. So does this mean that anybody can now use Mickey Mouse?
No.
Okay.
Because there's a difference between copyright and trademark. And I don't really know the nuances, but I do know this. The copyright is to protect the creative. It doesn't protect ideas. Ideas are public domain. You know, we want to encourage sharing ideas that could make us better as human beings or a society or whatever. But as far as trademarking, that's a whole different deal. So there's a couple of reasons why I don't think it's going to impact anything, because number one, Disney's not stupid. They've got lawyers working on this, you know, and so they make little tweaks to it or innovations or changes, and they register it as a trademark that would keep people from using it since it's so associated with their brand.
Right.
You can't confuse your product with theirs because they've established a trademark, established an identity of those big ears and Mickey's face, and you know, so probably you can play Steamboat Willie on your YouTube page and not have to pay a royalty for it, but you'd never be able to use it as a symbol of your business.
There you go. Thank you, Gary. We'll see you on the next Legal Break.